feel better, Kate can be a fearless dictator who sometimes oppresses.
Oh, fuck. Is this real? Wait, no. He's trolling me.
Slander.
I joined the Discord chat and talked some shit. I hope I added to the content.
Cara, dude.
Someone
Love it. Talk the shit.
Bits.
Fake news. You'll like it when I am done.
Yo, I love... Stop sagging purple pictures. I love you, dude.
Cake is amazing.
I love cake.
I think, CM might have just blew my mind right now. Hold on.
Is that a wet tampon?
What do you do?
Why you hate me?
No, it's not a wet...
Message.
Stop sagging, dude. I love you, purple pictures.
No, it's not real, CM. You're trolling me.
You may get in line to suck my dick.
Wait, did somebody gift a sub after Cara? Did I miss something there? I swear I saw two.
Slander because Cake always oppresses.
Who else gifted a sub?
What is that?
Dude, CM trolled me.
Yep, that's
Oh
the
my
final
God.
game.
It's blue jizz.
Just tell me when.
Whoa, Khara.
I mean, it's a post egg.
Oh, dude, that's poached. Look at that.
It's a little bit scuffed. It's a little bit scuffed.
That blue jizz not very blue.
That is a blue. Where's your jizz? Your blue jizz.
I don't have any blue jizz.
Wait, you're not gonna put it on a pancake first?
Should I just put it straight on the pin?
Yeah, I put one pancake. I put the egg. I put the catfish, and then the other pancake like a sandwich. You gotta sandwich the hoe.
There's fucking
How
It's a sandwich,
do I
dude. What
get
you mean?
access to the other VC
Yeah, squish that shit.
in the Discord.
Well, I mean,
The
you can
other
move the
VC?
pancake onto the plate first.
Wait, Vibe, what's your
Press me Cake.
what's your
Camel started the catfish.
He did.
Yeah, the catfish is cooked.
Sandwich it, kid.
I'm ready to post my last
You are
egg.
like literally
Right,
panicking right now.
But they didn't put here.
I'm just trying to figure out a place to put this.
No, you
fucking
Google
food.
it, CM. It doesn't exist.
Let's fucking put this right here. Kitten? Did you just
It's speculated. Speculated sequel.
Kitten. Oh, I see. I got you, kitten. You gotta get perms.
Oh, dude, are we gonna do some plating? Is it happening?
Kara, you know I play with my lowers for like 5 days before I get tired of it. Powers.
Yeah, let me get this other egg started. And then I'll put a sandwich together.
Those.
Where's my fucking bowl that I had the egg in? Dude, I'm just losing everything, dude. Where's the bowl that I had the egg in, dude?
I'm literally having
the trailer, bro? Why they trolling us Pokemon fans?
Yeah, it's not by Nintendo, fool.
Whoa.
Look at us,
5
see
days
what you
straight.
mean? He's
When is
trolling
our
me.
Camel getting made?
Dude.
Our camel? Do I need to make it?
I'm gonna have 12 motherfuckers over here tomorrow, and my fucking kitchen is a disaster after this.
12?
12 motherfuckers.
Just blame it on me.
Well, yes.
Blame it on
Random
me.
B.
I will. 420's here, he knows. 420's girlfriend is gonna be helping me fucking cook, and she's gonna be like, what is this shit?
Just blame it all on me, dude. It's fine.
I'm like, Came Law, dude. Mr. Came of the Law.
Just say it was Coom Law and they'll understand.
Oh, do not encourage me to call you Coom Law now.
No, that's the correct pronunciation.
Coom Law? No.
Coom Law, yeah.
It's Kame Law. Like Kamehameha? Kame Law? Duh.
No.
Gotta be fancy.
I refuse.
To call him
You refuse to call me Coom Law?
or Coon Law.
Just call me Coom.
But I only got to play for like 3 days though, so I guess I'm edging.
Camel to E. Camel Al.
But
what if
what
they actually,
actually makes the game officially?
Oh, I'll buy it in a heartbeat, man.
Ivy, how do you not feel better about your kitchen situation after seeing this
Because
one?
I keep
Mr.
following
Banana
his footsteps,
Who
and
will?
also